philosophy here at Holler Dash is always closed to open. We get out our PlayerLync, we do our closing checklist. It helps us set up for the next day. You never know when you may have a truck coming in and boxes piled up, and it helps you be able to get your day started and everything put away and be completely ready to open by 7 a.m. Biscuit Magic is where our whole entire family comes out of the kitchen, comes from the hospitality positions, wherever they're at. We break bread together, we get loud, we have fun, we learn a little bit. People from the back are gonna be hollering up front. Somebody walks in the door and everybody just turns, good morning, hi.
Holler Dash is a biscuit house. We take traditional Southern recipes and we modernize them. We add a lot of bold flavors and taste. The brand was built around the biscuit as a hero. We wanted our houses to be welcoming. We wanted to feel like family. We wanted to keep it as local as possible. And all of our products are really made in-house. People always ask me, where did the name Holler Dash come from? It's really about the style of service. It's fast casual, so you get in and out, you get your order and you're out in a dash. We've worked really hard at building a great brand that has, we say it has a soul. When you walk into the building, you can feel it, and that's really important for us. For people when they're out there, they're looking for a job, you want a place where you can feel as part of the family. I know a lot of people talk about that. In Holler Dash, we truly believe it because we believe in our people. We find people with great personalities, people that fit the brand, and we teach them how to do everything else.
No matter where I've been, it's the people that makes it so special.
PlayerLync makes our lives 10 times easier when it comes to training in the restaurant.
So the very first thing that you do here whenever you get hired at Holler Dash is you come to orientation with me. We're gonna grab our iPads, pull up our PlayerLync, and get started.
Most training is paper-based, and I knew with the brand new brand, using paper would be terrible because the minute we're printed, it's obsolete. And as a new brand, we're gonna be changing things over and over again, just trying to get it right.
If everybody on the line, anytime they're doing any type of cleaning tasks, they have to have their PlayerLyncs open. Even out in the front of house, anything that has to be set up in front, we have pictures and videos.
At Holler Dash, we're a completely paperless company as much as possible. So having the ability to grab a PlayerLync, type whatever you need into the search bar, and pull up a recipe in just an instant without having to go find your notebook, find a binder, find a recipe book. Anytime someone has a question or if we're curious about anything, the answer is always, did you check your PlayerLync?
It has all of our HR documents on there. It has all of our training content on there. This allows us to have standardized procedures across the board.
If we're using PlayerLync, that means my operation is going the way it should be going.
I'm really grateful to have PlayerLync in our stores. It's definitely been a lifesaver in many situations for me.
It's not something that we can easily depart with.
A biscuit is so much more than just a biscuit here at Holler Dash. It's a life-changing experience.